What's today's date?
The 10th.
10th?
February 10th.
So February 10th. Oh, a month and a day before we leave, this is what we get.
But before you get locked into a long-term contract with Fios, Comcast wants you to get all the facts. For instance, Fios claims to save you $20 a month on your bill. They don't mention their extra fees, which can cost you up to an additional $16 a month. Plus, when their contract expires, you'll be stuck paying hundreds of dollars every year. And if you try to cancel your service, they can charge you another $360 in early termination fees.
Jobs in the neighborhood over here.
You should be able to get great service without all the costly surprises. Comcast.
Look at the street sign.
TV, phone, and
You can't even see it.
straightforward
It's
pricing.
like 4 inches on top of the street sign. Wow, that is great.
Money back guarantee. Check out the details for yourself at Comcast.com or call 1-800-COMCAST. Compares Comcast HD Preferred XF Triple Play and Verizon Prime HD Triple Play as of January 22nd, 2010.
Look at the stop
How
sign.
could anyone be organized without me? That means make the kid.
Heard
That's the
that.
coffee. To remind me. That means I should have this one. So I'll remember to lock the door. Timers?
Look at that.
Really? Take charge of the new Palm Pixie Plus from Verizon. Run multiple apps, merge contacts, calendars, check emails, and surf the web on the go. It's the 3G smartphone, smart enough to keep up.
Oh, windows down.
Buy one for just $99.91 and get a second one free. Pulled after $100 mail-in rebate debit card. Multitasking Palm 3 Plus, all on America's largest and most reliable 3G network. Smarter smartphones come with the most 3G coverage in America. Visit Verizon Wireless, VerizonWireless.com, or call 1-800-JOIN-IN.
Absolute insanity.
Phones require new two-year activation and
Say hi, honey.
What kind of record does it have?
early termination and other fees apply. Coverage details on VerizonWireless.com. Only at Jack Frost, Big Bowl.
If the one 2 months ago was the most they had since the 70s.
Oh, we beat the record. The all-time record for the most in one winter.
Just our luck, huh?
The last time record was 65 inches, and we're up to like 68 or something.
JFTV as the first to open and the last to close. The Jack Frost Mountain and Big Boulder ski area are 100% open. The skiing and snowboarding conditions are the best in years. Sunday at Jack Frost Mountain. Stop by your local Loop station and pick up your discount voucher to ski or ride. Where's the mountains? Pretty great view. Log on to
Go to like where there's a parking lot or something.
24/7 for the latest conditions, live webcams, weekly specials, and sign up for our weekly email.
You can't even see a street up.
This is that. No,
I can't hold it still.
that bad? Real bad.